Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about home elevation design with stones. So let's talk about it in detail. Here are different colors which we can use while discussing it. Elevation color combination, 25 plus ideas to give a unique look to your home front elevation. Elevation color combination play a pivotal role in defining a property character and appeal. Using a color scheme that complement architecture and natural surrounding as well as reflect your personal preferences is great for transforming facade into a stunning art piece. Notably, choosing the correct paint help to create a visual synergy between texture and color scheme. And then contents, classic black and white combination deliver an enduring elegance. High contrast ensure a striking timeless appeal that stand out in any neighborhood. It lends a sense of sophistication and simplicity, making it suitable for various architectural styles. Moreover, multiple other things are also considered in it in detail and are of great significance as well. Here include multiple important things to be discussed. Bright yellow and white color. Bright yellow and white color is also very eye-catching and take great significance. And after that, the timeless black and white, the classic black and white combination delivers an enduring elegance. And after that, we are talking about the gold and purple, steel gray and silver, deep indigo and silver, soft gray and pastel pink, classic white and beige, earthy tone with green accent. All these are perfect combination and look amazing as well. Multiple people use these ideas for their home elevations, and regardingly, if you find any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much.